How to install Sublime Text 4 on Windows 11. Open your web browser. Search Sublime Text on Google. Click on this to visit the official Sublime Text website. Click on the Download for Windows button. Once downloaded, open the Sublime Text installer. Click Yes if prompted to allow the app to make changes to your device. The default installation location will be displayed. You can change it if needed. Click Next. Check the boxes for optional tasks if needed. Then click Next. Review the settings, then click Install. Once finished the installation process, click Finish. Now go to the Start menu. Click All Apps. Scroll down and look for Sublime Text. Click to launch it. Using it, create a new file by clicking on the file and selecting New File. Save your file with a relevant name and extension, like I am using test.php. You can see that it is unregistered. Registration unlocks additional features. Visit the Sublime Text website to purchase it officially. And that's how you can install Sublime Text 4 on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.